Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! In today's lesson, we'll study when to use capital letters. Here are the capital letters. Capital letters are useful signals for a reader. They have three main purposes. To let the reader know a sentence is beginning, to show important words in a title, to signal proper names and titles. Remember to use capital letters for the letter I, beginning of a sentence, names of people, places, and holidays, months and days of the week, titles of books, games, programs, or people. Always capitalize the first letter in a sentence. For example, what is your name? The beginning letter is W, so we capitalize it. Remember to use capital letters. When the letter I stands alone, it is always written in capital letter. For example, they tell me I walked the day I was a year old. Beginning letter T is capitalized, and the letter I in the sentence that stands alone. Proper nouns. People's names are proper nouns, so we capitalize them. For example, my favorite singer is Adele. Beginning letter M is capitalized, and A for Adele since it's the name of a person. Names of places are proper nouns and should be capitalized. For example, we attended a wedding in Switzerland. Beginning letter W is capitalized, and S for Switzerland because it's a name of a country. Names of holidays are proper nouns, so we capitalize them. For example, she prepares gifts for Christmas. We capitalize the beginning letter S and C for Christmas because it is a holiday. Nationalities and languages are proper nouns, so we capitalize them. For example, he is British, but he can speak Arabic. Beginning letter H is capitalized. B for British since it is a nationality, and A for Arabic language. Months of the year are written in capital letters. For example, my brother's birthday is in July. M is the beginning letter, so it is capitalized. And J for July is also capitalized because it's a month of the year. Days of the week are written in capital letters. For example, she was here last Friday. Beginning letter is S, so it is capitalized. And F for Friday since it's the days of the week. Titles of books, programs, or people are written in capital letters. For example, she reads the story The Ugly Duckling. Beginning letter S is capitalized. T, U, and D for the title of the book Ugly Duckling. Titles of books, programs, or people are written in capital letters. For example, my teacher, Mr. Paul, has a good sense of humor. M is capitalized since it's the beginning letter. M for the person's title, Mr., and P for Paul, which is a name of a person. Remember to use capital letters for the letter I, beginning of the sentence, names of people, of a country. His birthday falls on a Monday. His birthday falls on Monday. We capitalize the beginning letter H and M for Monday, which is the day of the week. On January 1st, the new year begins. On January 1st, the new year begins. We capitalize the beginning letter O. J for January because it's the month of a year. N and Y for New Year because it's a holiday. It's your turn. Please get a piece of paper and rewrite the following sentences. You may pause the video if you need more time. Rewrite the sentences with the correct capitalization. Is that your final answer? Is that your final answer? We celebrate Easter in April. We celebrate Easter in April. He lives in London, England. He lives in London, England. Amy and I are best friends. Amy and I are best friends. We are going to Japan in April. We are going to Japan in April. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you in our next episode.